Hi everyone, my name is Shayna and today I'm going to be doing the dissection of the brain. Alrighty, so here's the sheep brain. Okay, here is the frontal lobes. Then we have the parietal lobes, temporal lobes, and the occipital lobes. Okay, in the middle we have the longitudinal fissure. So that separates the left and the right cerebral hemispheres. Okay, we have the gyrus and the sulcus, which is located all over the brain, the cerebral cortex. Okay, so the gyrus is here, and the sulcus is the grooves in between. Okay, so then we're going to move on to the lateral sulcus, which is here. So it actually separates the temporal lobe from the parietal and the frontal lobe. Okay, next we are going to locate the cerebellum. So this is the cerebellum here. It's also known as the small brain. Okay, and also it kind of looks like cauliflower, so that helps me recognize where it is. Okay, here is the spinal cord. Then we go into the medulla oblongata. And next we have the pons. Okay. So next we are going to locate the olfactory bulbs. Those are right across here towards the frontal lobe. Then we have the olfactory tracts that leads it down. We have the optic nerves. Okay, so those are right here. That leads to the eyes. We have the optic chiasma. So that's right in the middle. And then we have the optic tract. So that leads it down towards this way. We have the cerebral peduncles. So it's kind of hard to see, but here they are. They're actually known as the foot pads. Okay, we have the pituitary gland, which is in here. Okay, we're going to locate some of the cranial nerves. So we have the ocular motor right in here. Then we have the trochlear. We have the trigeminal and abducens, which are fairly close to each other. Next, we're going to talk about the midbrain. Okay, and we're going to locate the corpora quadrimina. Okay, so we're going to flip this over and separate the cerebellum. Alright. Okay, so we have the superior colliculi and the inferior colliculi. And if you look closely, you can see the pineal body. Alright. So next we are going to cut the brain in half. Okay, and then our leadway is going to be the longitudinal fissure, which locates the right and left cerebral hemispheres. Okay, so I'm going to try to be as gentle as I can. Alrighty, so here we are. We have two halves now. I'm going to go with the better half here. Okay, so we have the corpus callosum. It's located right here. The cerebrum. We have the pineal body. Not sure if you can see it. The fornix. We have the lateral ventricle. Okay, we have the cerebral peduncle, so it's the same place where the foot pads were. And we have the spinal cord here, medulla oblongata, pons. And then we have the fourth ventricle. So that's located right here. You can see it, a little groove right in there. Okay. Corpora quadrumina, so that's still in here. The inferior and superior colliculi. I don't want to break it, so I'll show you like this. Okay, we have the arbor vitae. So that's actually located here. They're a good view of white and gray matter. So that's known as the tree of life with its branch-like features. And then that is it. Here we go.